Hello guys, review Tecno Pova 6, this version 8GB memory and 256GB storage, 6000 mAh battery, 70W charge, ultra charge adapter, fast charging. We have MediaTek G99 Ultimate gaming processor, AMOLED display 120Hz. Okay, open box, look, complectation, green color device, in complectation, protected back cover, adapter for charging, and this Type-C cable and headphones. Okay, double camera, power button and wall buttons, Type-C port, headphones jack. Open settings, look about Android version. We have iOS version 14.0.0 and Android 14. Close this. Open Geekbench 6, look Geekbench 6 results. And auto benchmark results. Close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.